Can you make it go boom?
No one ever calls me, no one ever texts me. Son of a bitch!
I'm texting.
That motherfucker.
Has this ever happened to you? Don't you just hate it when there's impatient people behind you just waiting to honk at you? Don't you just wish there was a device that could protect you from these nasty people? Well, now there is! Let me introduce you to Honk Shields! This one-of-a-kind technology allows you to protect yourself from these nasty honkers. Honk Shields' patented design that's practically invisible to the eyes. No one will ever know you have it on your car. It's lightweight and easy to apply. Anybody can do it. Honk Shield is made up of billions and trillions of nanoparticles woven together so tightly not even the loudest of honks could penetrate this shield. Just apply Honk Shield to your entire car. Now drive to a red light. Wait for the light to turn green. Make sure there's somebody behind you. Do not proceed. Wait until the person behind you honks. When this person honks, the frequencies from their horn will reflect and be directed back at them. You will not hear the honk, and that is how you know Honk Shield is actively working. Now proceed with your honk-free driving. And smile. For a limited time only, get 2 Honk Shields for the price of 1. That's right, that's not 1, but 2 Honk Shields! Yeah! Call now, don't wait, this offer will not last.